Ever wondered why some investors seem to print money effortlessly, while others struggle to find even a single lead? The gap isn't just capital, it's leverage. Specifically, AI leverage. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 AI tools that are rewriting the rules of wealth creation in 2026. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, pay close attention. Hey everyone, welcome back to Monetivra. Here, we bridge the gap between cutting-edge technology and smart wealth-building strategies. From AI-driven business insights to real estate hacks, we give you the tools to grow smarter. And stick around until the end, because the fifth tool on this list is the ultimate secret weapon for passive income that most people are completely overlooking. First, let's talk real estate. The days of guessing which neighborhood will boom are over. Tools like PropStream and Zillow AI Insights now use predictive algorithms to identify distressed properties and high-growth zones before they even hit the mainstream market. Here's a pro tip. Use these tools to run a comparative market analysis on at least 10 properties this week. One savvy investor I follow used AI data to pivot into an overlooked suburb that saw 40% appreciation in just 14 months. That's not luck, that's data. If you're an entrepreneur, you know data is the new oil. But raw data is useless without a refiner. Enter Tableau AI, or ChatGPT's advanced data analysis. These tools can ingest your sales spreadsheets and tell you exactly which customer segment is your most profitable and which products will trend next quarter. One e-commerce startup stopped guessing their inventory and started predicting it. They doubled their revenue in just 6 months by cutting waste and focusing only on winners. Now for the markets. AI doesn't have emotions, which already makes it a better trader than most humans. Platforms like Trade Ideas for stocks or Krill for crypto allow you to automate strategies based on logic, not fear. But here's an important note. AI is a powerful compass, not a crystal ball. Always manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use AI to filter the noise, find the signals, and manage your stop losses while you sleep. Marketing is the heartbeat of wealth. If nobody knows you exist, you can't get rich. Tools like Jasper AI and Ad Creative AI are now so advanced. They can generate high-converting ad copy and social campaigns in seconds. I recently saw a solopreneur automate 70% of his content pipeline using these tools. He didn't just save time, he increased his lead flow by 50%. Because the AI optimized the copy for clicks better than a human ever could. Finally, the most important part, keeping the money you make. Tools like Copilot Money and Wealthfront use AI to analyze your entire net worth, real estate, stocks, and cash, to find tax leaks and suggest smarter reinvestment strategies. One user built a predictable passive income stream that covered their entire lifestyle just by following the AI's rebalancing suggestions. That is what we call true financial freedom. 2026 is the year of the AI-powered individual. You don't need a massive team anymore. You just need the right software. If you're ready to build smarter wealth, hit that subscribe button for Monetivra and turn on notifications. Question of the day, which of these 5 tools are you going to test out first? Let me know in the comments below. Let's grow together.